Introducing Form 4. So fast, it will change the way you work. With most prints in under 2 hours. Iterate several times a day. With a proprietary release texture, flexible film tank, and ultra-high optical power. Produce parts that always fit, rivaling injection molding with 50-micron pixels, advanced pixel smoothing, and light touch supports. Achieve an unmatched print success rate with validated print settings, precision heating, force sensing, debris detection, and remote monitoring. Tackle any problem with industry-leading materials. With an upgraded mixer and dispense system that support highly viscous and filled resins. And do it all with a workflow anyone can learn in 15 minutes. With instant material changes, comprehensive software, and automated post-processing. Enter a new era of performance, built on our next-generation low-force display print engine, featuring a high-power backlight unit, light processing unit 4, release texture, and a flexible film tank, delivering extreme speed, reliability, and print quality. Now, anyone can perfect their products, keep production running, or improve patient care. The tool you've been waiting for, Form 4.